This is a 600 watt inverter, 12 voltage to 220 voltage, 600 watt. This inverter is not working. Now I am going to repair it. First I have to open this circuit. We can use it for the fan and light also. Now I am opening it. We can see 4 MOSFET right side and 2 MOSFET are in left side. This is the fan socket, has empty. These 4 MOSFET for output. This 4 MOSFET for output and these 2 MOSFET for the input. This is the voltage socket, 12 voltage. We have to use 12 voltage here. Now I am going to use one battery. This is the positive voltage. With the positive voltage we can use here maximum 200 ampere. Maximum 200 ampere battery. This is the negative voltage. Look, now I am going to switching. Look, it's not working. I am switching but not working. The light is not switching. Not working this circuit. Let's go to check what is the problem. I have to check the voltage. DC voltage. This is the negative voltage and this is the positive voltage. Look, 15 voltage. Look, here has no voltage. Here has voltage but here has no voltage. We can see here has one fuse. Now I am going to check the fuse. This is the fuse. This fuse is burn ready. This fuse burned ready. For this case voltage cannot go to the circuit. I have to change the fuse. Before changing the fuse I have to check the MOSFET, it's short or not. Before changing the fuse I have to check the all MOSFET. This is the negative MOSFET, PNP MOSFET. Look, this one. This one is okay. Both MOSFET is okay. Has 2 MOSFET, input MOSFET. Both are okay. Both MOSFET are okay. And this is the output MOSFET. Here is 4 MOSFET for the output. Also PNP MOSFET, negative MOSFET. This one is okay. This one also okay. PNP MOSFET, all are PNP MOSFET. This one also okay. This one also okay. All MOSFET are okay. All MOSFET are okay, no short. Now I am going to change the fuse. Now I have no fuse. For this case I am using one wire here. I am going to short the fuse. Don't do like this. I am just going to check only. Later I will change the fuse. I'm soldering the wire and fixing the fuse. Fixing the fuse for to test. This is not permanent work, just checking. Later I will change the fuse. If the circuit is works, then I will change the fuse. Now I am going to check this inverter. This is the negative voltage. This is the positive voltage. Look, the bulb, it's switch on, the bulb is lighting, the blue color, the green color is lighting, not showing voltage. Just I'm going to check the voltage. Now I have to check here. Look, 200, almost 50. The inverter is okay now. The inverter is okay. Now just changing the fuse. It's okay. Thank you for watching the video. It's okay.